A Turkish expert said in a recent interview that the China proposed Global Development Initiative reflects the experiences and the best practices of China.
China is playing very critical role for global economic development. China has very great success story for economic development in that regard, having a big experience for national development initiative reflects all these experiences, best practices of China.
The expert also said that the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative is a good example of how the GDI will be implemented in the coming years.
The Belt Road Initiatives declared 10 years ago, and also so far the Belt Road Initiative has great assessments and many projects have been implemented so far. And we can say that the Global Development Initiatives has shown that its implementation through the Belt Road Initiative. So Belt Road Initiative is a good example how the GDI will be implemented in coming years.